I see several robots. What do you want me to do with them? Which robot should go forward? You can choose.你想叫第一机械人作咩啊 ？What do you want the robots to do? 你想全部机械人向右转吗 ？Do you? 你想叫二？你想做咩动作 ？What kind of exercise you would like to do? Okay, how about chest exercises, push-ups, sit-ups, and squats? What do you think? 要边个机械人做运动 ？Which robot? 佢用得好啊！ They look like they're having a lot of fun. Anything else you want them to do? 做多幾下。轉下運動啦。點樣開動作 ？What kind of movement? 做三啦。 They all seem pretty good at push-ups. Is there any? 有咩可以帮你啊 ？What can I help you? 你想去地跳舞 ？Which dance? 还能几期一下，乖。They are almost. 睇下你做緊乜嘢俾我聽。係啊，邊個低咗 Some of the robots are falling behind, but they're really trying. 有幾多個幾啊個 It looks like one robot is done. Shall we try some moving jump? There's a graphic on the screen with colorful figures on it. Is there anything else you want me to do? I see some Chinese characters on the colorful figures. Do you want me to make the robots bow? The figures on the screen have the Chinese characters for blue, purple, orange, pink, green, and cyan written on them. Shall I have the robots bow now? Would you like them? Shall we have them all wave? Sure. I can speak to you in Mandarin. What would you like the robots to do next? 好的，你想让机器人向后走是吗？好的，全部机器人一起后退。